What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Do you know how to maximize your cash back with your credit card? Throughout the year, savvy cardholders should seek to maximize their benefits and incentives. If you're considering applying for one of the top cashback credit cards, it's critical to learn how to maximize your cashback returns. 1. Assess your spending habits and pick a credit card that works for you. It's critical to examine your cash flow before changing your credit card spending plan or considering applying for a new credit card. How much do you spend on a monthly basis? Is it really a year? Which of the following categories do you spend the most time in? What do you want or need from a rewards credit card in the end? Knowing how much you spend can help you predict what your rewards return will be each year, which is frequently larger the first year if your card has a welcome offer, and whether an annual fee is worthwhile. If you don't spend enough money on a credit card each year to pay off the annual fee, it's definitely not the ideal card for you. You can choose which form of credit card will best suit your lifestyle and previous spending once you've determined how you use your credit card. Spending categories that are common. A flat-rate cashback card is the ideal form of card for everyday shopping since you'll get the same rewards rate no matter what you buy. While 2% cashback is appealing, a card with a little lower flat rate may have other benefits that make it a better fit for your spending. If you frequently eat out or order takeout, there are several cashback cards available that provide high returns on eating and entertainment expenditures. If you spend the most of your money on groceries to cook at home, one of the best cards for groceries may be ideal for you, while a card focused on petrol rewards may be better if you have a lengthy commute or frequently travel by vehicle. 2. Look for cards that give you extra cashback in your most important areas. Once you've figured out where you spend your money on a monthly basis, you'll want to apply for the cashback card that offers the best rewards for your spending patterns. 3. Make your spending approach more diverse. You may take a few measures to ensure that you get the most out of each of your credit cards. To begin, you should avoid favoritism when it comes to cashback cards. It's a good idea to spread your cashback earnings over many credit cards. While the Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express offers 6% cash back on U.S. grocery purchases, up to $6,000 per year, thereafter 1%, you don't have to settle for 1% cash back on most other transactions. Keep a second card in your wallet for spending that doesn't qualify for a higher earning bonus category, such as a 2% flat rate cashback card. Do some study on each of your cards to see what they're ideal for. Put a modest label on your card to remember what it's for. Give each card a useful nickname in your digital wallet, or slip a handwritten legend into your wallet so you're ready to use the appropriate card at the right time. 4. Sign up for extra categories every quarter. Keep an eye on your issuer's cashback calendar and activate bonus categories each quarter. If your cashback card includes rotating bonus categories, you'll be eligible for the bonus cashback rate if you do it this way. Otherwise, you'll simply get the basic rate, which is normally 1% of your total expenditure. 5. Take advantage of special deals and online shopping portals. Combine your favorite cashback credit card with a convenient shopping site to get additional cashback. By going through a shopping gateway for your favorite retailer and then paying with your preferred cashback card, you may typically earn additional rewards on every online transaction. On top of the cashback you receive on your credit card, cashback apps and websites like Ibotta, Rakuten, previously Ebates, and Dash give you a percentage of your expenditure back on qualified purchases. Look for card-linked deals from your credit card issuer before you purchase, whether in person or online. Keep an eye on your card issuer's website for any extra rolling bonus offers for the cashback card you have. These offers are usually visible in your online account, have restricted redemption windows, and must be explicitly opted into. Additional advantages and benefits for your credit card and rewards may also be found in our credit card limited time promotional guide. Because card-linked discounts and special promotions are always changing, it's a good idea to check for updates on a frequent basis. 6. Make good use of your cashback. It's just as vital to make good use of your cashback rewards as it is to maximize your cashback earning chances. Many individuals prefer to utilize their cashback incentives as statement credits to balance their monthly expenditure, but this isn't the only way to earn a refund on money previously spent. Give yourself forward with your cash rewards by saving up for a significant purchase you wouldn't have made otherwise, or invest your monthly returns and let your cashback pay you longer-term income. Last but not least, you'll be raking in cashback rewards before you realize it if you take the time to spend intelligently. Use the correct cashback card for as many of your routine transactions as possible to optimize your cash benefits. In the meanwhile, Avoid carrying a balance on your card to avoid paying interest on your transactions. With the typical credit card APR hovering around 16%, earning rewards won't be worth it if you're also piling up long-term debt. Now, go get that money.